everyone, it's Diane again. I'm going to show you guys how to make some curry vegetables. I am going to add to my pot about 3 tablespoons, let me get some fan on here, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. So my pot was pretty hot, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of cumin seed, which is in here. Alright, and then a tablespoon of my curry powder. And what I want to do to this pot as well is to add my onions and garlic. If my oil gets too hot, just adjust the heat. I'm going to turn it back down to a number 4. And then I'm going to add my scallions, some onions, some garlic into my pot and saute this up for a couple of minutes. Okay. The cumin seed that I added to this. I'm also going to add, I don't have fresh ginger, so I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of organic cinnamon powder. So again, I want to infuse everything into the pot with the oil, so the flavor of the curry with all the spices come out. And this is my curry powder that I made from scratch. So once it's heated up, and I'm going to adjust my stove back up to a number 6, I'm going to add some of my favorite vegetables. And again, you could be very creative with this and add your favorite vegetables. I find potato, pumpkin, and cauliflower and carrots go well with curry. So I have in here 4 cups. That's about 2 cups of red potato, 2 cups of potatoes, and over here I have about 3 cups of cauliflower with some yellow carrots. And actually I'm using the frozen vegetables on this one, but fresh vegetables. I also have a cinnamon stick, so I'm going to throw my cinnamon stick in here. I'm going to add my potatoes and my pumpkin. Add the cauliflower and carrots. So this is a super simple, easy recipe to make. I'm going to use chickpeas as well, because when I'm doing a vegetarian meal for dinner, I want to get my protein in. So my chickpeas is going to be my protein. Mix everything up, and you're going to flavor to your own taste buds. So I'm going to add some salt for flavor. So about 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to put this in here, and because I'm using the frozen vegetables, and it's going to take a little bit of time to heat up, but I want to stir everything up. If I find, like, I use the chickpeas with some water from the chickpeas, and that was probably about a half a cup of water, so I'm going to go and add another half a cup of water. Because I want everything to cook down really well. So once your pumpkin and your potatoes are nice and soft, then you know this is done. Okay, and what I want to do is I'm going to bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat and let it simmer and cook. Now I can add a little spice to this, and my spice is going to come from some chili powder. Probably put in about 1/8 of a teaspoon in here. All right, and again, give it a good mix. Now this is great as a side dish, or this is great as just a meal by itself with some naan or some roti. As you can see, this is pretty simple to the curry chicken video I did the other day. So this is just showing you how you can utilize curry and do a curry vegetable. Give that about probably a good 20 minutes of time on a slow simmer to cook out and serve it up. So have fun making this recipe. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, email me, text me. You can find a lot of my information on my website. And I hope you had fun watching this video. Talk to you later. Bye.